I had a John Deere lx280 lawn tractor ignition module burn up. I replaced it. Still won't start. Red and yellow light on panel lights up. I just get a little hum or buzz sound. Battery tests at 12 volts. What else should I look for?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. Check the battery voltage when you try to start and get the buzz. If voltage drops below 8 volts, you have battery or cable problem. Jumping off a running vehicle will burn up the charging system and damage electrical parts. You can jump mower, but do not run the vehicle as this puts large amp charge into a small amp system. Your engine has the starter solenoid as part of the starter. Jump the small start terminal to the positive battery cable side of the solenoid and see if the starter spins the engine. This checks the battery, cables and the starter.
Have to try that this evening when I get home. If the starter spins the engine, that means battery, cables, and starter is good, right? What does it mean if it doesn't spin?
If it does not spin, no primary power. Battery or cables are likely not getting power to the starter, bad battery or corroded cable.
Thanks a lot. How about something else I noticed? On the ignition module, when I turn on the switch, I notice one red light and one green light. On the module. Are they supposed to be that way or both green?
They are red and green, meaning there is power to both ignition and PTO.
Thanks again.
Let me know. Thank you.
Checked voltage on old battery with switch on and it dropped to 5. Bought new battery and that worked. Next time I'll remember not to jump with pickup running. Like you said, that probably overloaded that module. Thanks again.
Good job. Thank you. Please rate me positive if you are satisfied.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.